Welcome to Body Scan Meditation, a 1-minute practice dedicated to cultivating relaxation and heightened awareness. Find a quiet space, settle into a comfortable position, and gently close your eyes. As we embark on this journey, let's bring attention to different parts of your body, starting from the top of your head. Inhale deeply, exhale, and release any tension you may be holding. Gradually move your awareness down, scanning your face, neck, shoulders, and beyond. Allow your breath to guide you, inviting relaxation into each area you explore. In the next 60 seconds, immerse yourself in this body scan, acknowledging any sensations without judgment. Inhale tranquility, exhale tension. As the chime marks the end of this practice, open your eyes, carrying a refreshed sense of relaxation and heightened awareness into the rest of your day. Let the body scan meditation begin now.